soiled. That's some good stuff right there. Chocolatey, delicious. Oh yeah, she's foamy. Hey everybody, welcome to Saigers Steam Clean and welcome to the channel. I'm gonna clean carpet in a laundromat today. Yeah, I know not a lot of you just said, what? You've been here before. Did you look at all this good stuff? Just keeps getting better and better and better and better. So I'm gonna get really busy flying on this thing because I'm on a deadline too to help get it done in the next 45 minutes or less. That's all I need, deadlines. They're not working for me. Come on. One of those blue spots. Let me get you closer. Oh yeah, she's foamy. I've never had a wick back cross my fingers on this place. And I've even had the defoamer ready to go, powdered defoamer to sprinkle all over. I don't know if you remember all the big spills and stains that were in this area. Pre-sprayed and starting to take it out. It is code red and I threw in some G-force booster. I'm going all at it. Didn't know what to expect here. Soiled, but it's cleaning really good. You definitely want your dry passes here. If I could just get some heat out of this thing. Butlers don't get no heat. Yeah, not at all. She's soiled. That's some good stuff right there. Chocolatey, delicious. Wow. Okay, you're getting some heat now today. All right, I'm with you. Picked on her too much. Christine the butler's getting all fired up. Look at that. That's a definite line. Can't miss that. No difference at all. God dang, is that hot today. Wow. It's a warm one today. Woo! Rock. All right, let me show you. Looking pretty sweet. Way better. Okay, I did not pre-spray this area because of the airflow would just dry it out too fast on me. So I left this here unsprayed. I'm gonna do that right now. And I'll show you, as soon as I'm done spraying, I bet you these spots disappear before I even extract. There it goes. Disappearing. That's the area that's going to dry on me pretty quick, so I got to be a little careful there. Make sure I get to it timely. Dry passes. Get your dry passes. I haven't rinsed those out yet, but she be gone. You know what, I'm just thinking, I haven't even had an opportunity to throw in a good old bad dad joke here. Been, I don't know, preoccupied with other things. I didn't have a phone call. Wow. This is really a weird video. Not quite done yet, but some of you got really lucky. No bad dad jokes and hardly any talking that I know of. I talk in my sleep probably, for all I know. I wouldn't know. I'm sleeping. Wow! That's a bad dad joke. Last little bit here. I'm out of here. I can't remember what I got left. I know, like daily, nightly, editing video, get out the next one. So we will do that. I'm definitely gonna need a shower. Man, the dryers in here built up quite a bit of heat. Woo! Hot. Hot stuff, baby. I was just holding back way too long. Couldn't resist. Okay, so it's dirty here and a little bit worn, but way better. Get this walk-off mat a little bit too. Done. Dun 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 dun. Well, everybody, thanks for being here, checking out the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like if you would. A thumbs up like would be awesome. Helps just to get more traffic to the video. Some comments are also always welcome, and we enjoy hearing and seeing from you, our regulars. And if you're brand new to the channel, thanks for being here. Maybe consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back again, and check out some more of these other videos we have. We have a lot of what we call the good, greasy, good eating ones too, and come and see those. And you know, stick around for the bad dad jokes. They get better, worse. I mean, worse, better. They're bad. They're just plain bad. Thanks. I'm gonna go home and shower. I stink. So do your jokes, Mark. Doesn't quit raining. This grass within a day looks like a cow pasture. Hey, speaking of cattle, you here to eat the grass? You're not? Well, that's good. Hi, sweethearts. Oh, yeah, I'm tired too. I know. Smell. Yeah, I smell. Where are you going there, Miley May? Huh? Oh, it's windy out. Where are you going? People are yelling out there. Don't chase them down. Come on. That's me in there. Come here. Come on, Luna. Come here. What are you doing? I'm over here. Yeah, come on. Miley May, what are you up to, you mischief maker? Where's she at? Come here. What are you doing? All right. Come on, you mischief maker. Let's go. Good thing you're cute. Did you guys get dinner yet? Come on. Just like that wind blowing in your face. Hey, absolute trouble today. Good grief, you're independent. Now you're gonna ignore me, aren't you? Come on. Well, everybody, have a great day. I'm gonna go shower.